All right, let's get a little crazy. What if your money could manage itself? Like a smart assistant that knows when to save, when to spend, and when you're about to make a mistake before you do? That might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. And I didn't believe it either, until I experienced it myself. A few years back, I thought I had my finances under control. I had spreadsheets, budgeting apps, even sticky notes on my fridge. But every month, something would throw me off. An impulse buy here, a forgotten subscription there. I was always reacting, never really planning. Then I tried an AI-powered budgeting app. It didn't just track my spending, it learned from it. Within weeks, it flagged weekends as my danger zone for overspending. It even predicted when I'd likely go over budget and nudged me before it happened. That one insight helped me save well over $600 in just a few months. That's the power of predictive finance. It doesn't just show you where your money went, it helps you plan where it should go next. And in 2025, AI tools are doing this automatically, tracking your transactions, flagging unusual charges, and guiding you towards smarter decisions. No spreadsheets required. In this video, I'll show you how AI is transforming financial planning and how predictive finance can help you save money without even thinking about it. Here's what we'll cover: what predictive finance actually is and how it works, how AI automates your financial planning, real examples of how AI helps you save, common concerns and misconceptions about AI and money management, and how you can get started today. Stick around. This might just change the way you think about your money. First, let's break down what predictive finance actually is and why it's becoming a game changer in 2025. Ever wish you had a financial crystal ball? Something that could warn you before you overspend or show you where you could be saving more? That's exactly what predictive finance does. In simple terms, it uses your past financial behavior, like spending, saving, and even market trends, and runs it through smart algorithms to forecast what's likely to happen next. Think of it like Spotify for your money. Just as Spotify learns your music taste and suggests what you'll want to hear next, predictive finance learns your financial habits and helps you plan ahead. Let's say you tend to spend more on weekends or during holiday sales. An AI tool can spot that pattern and send you a heads up before you go overboard. Or maybe it notices you're consistently under-saving and nudges you to stash a little extra cash before your next paycheck hits. Behind the scenes, these tools gather and clean massive amounts of data: your transactions, behavior, even economic signals. Then, machine learning kicks in to find patterns, just like a weather app predicts storms based on pressure and cloud data. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, constantly updating its predictions to fit your unique financial life. For everyday users, this means fewer surprises, smarter decisions, and more control. Predictive finance helps you avoid financial potholes and spot opportunities to save before they even appear. Now that you know what predictive finance is, let's look at the tools that are already putting it into action and making money management easier than ever. Let's start with budgeting tools that actually have personality. Meet your new financial sidekicks, apps like Cleo and YNAB. Cleo isn't your average budgeting app. It's a chatbot with sass. It'll text you things like, "You spent $120 on takeout this week, want to talk about it?" It's like having a brutally honest friend who's also rooting for your financial success. YNAB, you need a budget, combines AI with proven budgeting strategies to help you plan ahead and stay on track. No more guessing where your money went. Users love its approach, helping millions save and boosting the average savings rate by 15% to 20% compared to old-school method. But maybe the most impressive, AI can forecast upcoming expenses and alert you before surprise bills knock your budget off course. Is the holiday season approaching? Expect your app to suggest stashing extra cash now, based on your past shopping splurges or even rising inflation. Some tools even pull in data on local events or seasonal spikes, giving you a cushion before you need it. Next up, saving without even thinking about it. Apps like Digit and Capital use machine learning to analyze your income, bills, and spending habits. Then, they quietly move small amounts into savings at just the right time. Imagine grabbing a coffee, and behind the scenes, Capital rounds up the purchase and drops the spare change into your vacation fund. That's passive saving at its best. And when it comes to investing, AI is making that easier too. Enter robo-advisors like Betterment. These platforms build and manage your investment portfolio based on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. No guesswork, no emotional decisions. Some users have seen returns 10 to 15% higher than when they picked stocks themselves. And for professionals, AI-driven planning can save hundreds of hours and tens of thousands of dollars a year. These tools don't just save time. They give you personalized guidance, reduce mistakes, and help you make smarter decisions based on real data, not gut feelings. By now, AI might sound like the perfect financial co-pilot. But let's be real. Handing over control of your money to a machine, that raises some big questions. And you're not alone in wondering about them. Concern number 1, is AI safe? It's a fair question. In 2025, over 70% of companies using AI reported at least one security incident. And in finance, the stakes are even higher, with compliance failures costing firms millions. But here's the good news. Regulators are catching up fast. New laws now require annual safety audits, human oversight, and transparent reporting for any AI system managing your money. That means the tools you use are being held to higher standards than ever before. Concern number 2, will I lose control? Not at all, if it's done right. AI handles the number crunching, but you stay in charge. In places like California, new rules require that any major financial decision, like approving a mortgage or making an investment, must involve a human review. You'll always know how the AI reached its recommendation, and you'll always have the final say. Concern number 3, can I trust AI with my money? Here's the thing. AI isn't perfect, but it's powerful. It can detect fraud faster than any human team, personalize your budgeting, and help you invest smarter. But like any tool, it works best when paired with quality data and human judgment. Think of it like this. AI is your high-powered financial assistant, not your replacement. The bottom line is, AI in finance is evolving fast, but so are the rules that keep it safe. With strong oversight, human checks, and smarter tools, you get the best of both worlds. Automation without losing control. So now you're probably wondering, how do I actually start using AI to manage my money? The good news is, you don't need to be a tech expert. Today's tools are built for real people, and they're designed to make money management smarter, easier, and way less stressful. Here are a few great options to dip your toes into AI-powered finance. Cleo, a witty AI chatbot that tracks your spending, negotiates bills, and even helps build your credit, all through casual, text-style conversations. Mint, a classic go-to for beginners. It links your accounts, tracks your budget automatically, and sends reminders so you never miss a bill. Plum and Digit, these apps quietly analyze your spending and move small amounts into savings without you lifting a finger. Here are some simple ways to start using AI in your finances. Automate one bill. Start with something simple like your phone or Netflix subscription. It's a small step that builds consistency and helps avoid late fees. Set up automatic savings. Let an app like Plum analyze your habits and move a few dollars into savings each week. You won't even notice it's gone, but your future self will thank you. Split your paycheck. If your employer allows it, direct a small portion of your income straight into savings. Out of sight, out of mind, and it adds up fast. Track your progress. Most AI apps will alert you to overspending, hidden fees, or suggest ways to cut costs. Let them do the heavy lifting while you stay in control. A little pro tip: many services offer discounts, sometimes $5 or more, just for using autopay. So automating even one bill can literally pay off. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire financial life overnight. Even automating a single payment or savings goal can give you a taste of what AI can do and set you up for steady, stress-free growth into 2025 and beyond. So, let's recap. We explored how predictive finance is changing the game, from budgeting apps with personality to AI tools that save and invest for you automatically. We looked at how these tools learn your habits, forecast your spending, and help you make smarter decisions, often before you even realize you need to. We also tackled the big questions. Is AI safe? Will I lose control? Can I trust it with my money? And the answer is clear. With the right tools and oversight, AI can be your smartest financial ally. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether it's automating a single bill or letting an app round up your coffee change into savings, small steps can lead to big results. Now it's your turn. Which AI finance tool are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're exploring or already using. If you found this video provided you value, please gently stroke the like button. Share your thoughts or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of finance and tech. Your smarter financial future starts now.